Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious crab cakes. And if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like this video, you guys. It really does help my channel out a whole lot. Don't forget to share it with everybody you know. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So off camera, I went ahead and I rinsed 3 green onions, and now I'm just going to take a knife and just chop them into very thin slices. So my green onions are done, and I'm just going to set them to the side because I'm going to put together a mixture that's going to go into the crab meat. So in a medium bowl, I'm going to crack 1 egg. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, around 3 to 4 dashes of hot sauce, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a half a teaspoon of sea salt. So now everything is whisked together and this is what it's going to look like. So now let's add some more ingredients. I'm ready to add my green onions that I chopped up earlier. And I have 3 tablespoons of chopped red bell pepper. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. And now I'm ready to add and combine 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley. So this is the crab meat that I'm working with. I have 1 pound of lump crab. I really love crab. It is really delicious. So this is what I'm working with. And now I'm just going to go ahead and add in or fold in the mixture. Now when I say fold, you just want to make sure that the crab meat is fully coated with the mixture, but you definitely want to leave chunks of the crab meat. And at the very end, I'm going to add or fold in 2/3 cups of some Panko breadcrumbs. And if you don't have breadcrumbs, go ahead and use some crackers if you have that in your pantry. So my mixture is done. This is what it looks like. And before I do anything, I'm just going to wrap it in some plastic wrap and just let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before I cook it. Alright, so let's start making some crab cakes. So over medium-high heat, I'm going to go ahead and warm up some vegetable oil. And now I'm just going to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of some crab meat and I'm going to form them into patties. Okay, so this is what the crab cake is going to look like, and you just want to carefully and gently place it in the hot oil. So this recipe makes around 8 crab cakes, just depending on how big you want your patties to be. And now you just want your crab cakes to cook between 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. So my crab cakes are all done. They're beautiful and golden brown, and I love seeing all those flecks of colors, the greens and the reds. So this is a really simple recipe, and if you really love crab, I think you should give it a try because I really think you'll enjoy it. And at the very end, I have some tartar sauce that I'm going to put on top, but feel free to put whatever sauce that you like or squeeze some lemon. Lemon goes very well with seafood, and I just put a little bit of fresh parsley. But yeah, really simple recipe, and enjoy them while they're nice and hot. But we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram. Take a picture, I'd love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.